Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fly with firearms on American Airlines. Whether you're a hunter, competitive shooter, or simply need to transport your firearms, understanding the airline's specific requirements will ensure a smooth check-in process and help you avoid any delays or complications at the airport. Before you even book your ticket, it's important to know that laws regarding firearm possession vary significantly between states and countries. Take the time to research the requirements of your destination before you travel. If you're flying internationally, contact American Airlines reservations to confirm specific international travel requirements, as rules can be quite different from domestic regulations. If any part of your journey is operated by another airline, you'll need to contact them directly to understand their policies. Most airlines require at least 72 hours notice before your travel date, so don't wait until the last minute to sort this out. Within the United States, you can only travel with firearms and ammunition, including pellet and BB guns, if you're over 18 years old. These items must be packed in your checked baggage. You cannot carry them on board. When you arrive at the airport, you must check them with an agent at the check-in counter and declare that you're traveling with firearms and ammunition. This declaration is mandatory and cannot be skipped. Let's talk about how your firearms must be packed. They must be completely unloaded, with no ammunition in the chamber or magazine. The firearm must be stored in a locked, hard-sided container where it's totally inaccessible to anyone during transport. If you're traveling with a rifle, the case must have locks on each end to meet security requirements. For ammunition, it must be securely packed in fiber, wood, or metal boxes, or other packaging specifically designed to carry small amounts of ammunition. You're limited to a maximum of 11 pounds or 5 kilograms per container or customer. Ammunition can be stored in a magazine or clip, but it must be completely enclosed. You can store ammunition in the same locked, hard-sided case as your firearm, but loose rounds that aren't packed in a box or container are not accepted. There's no limit to the number of items you can carry in your rifle, shotgun, or pistol case, but keep in mind that bag and oversize or overweight charges may apply, depending on the size and weight of your case. Be aware of certain restrictions. Loose ammunition, magazines or clips, and firearms are not accepted when traveling to or from Port of Spain, Trinidad, and Tobago. Also, firearms are not allowed in checked bags on landline motorcoach connections, so plan your trip connections accordingly. If you're a law enforcement officer flying armed, there are additional requirements. All law enforcement officers flying armed must check in with an American Airlines agent at the airport before boarding. State, local, and territorial officers must submit a National Law Enforcement Telecommunications System, or NLETS, message during airport check-in. This NLETS message replaces the original letter of authority and must be sent by your employing agency. TSA will respond with an 8-character unique alphanumeric identifier that you'll need for verification at the airport on your travel day. Federal law enforcement officers must present credentials that include a clear full-face picture, your signature, and the signature of the authorizing official or the official seal of your agency. You must notify the airline at least 1 hour before departure, or as soon as practicable in an emergency. State, county, or municipal officers must also present an original letter of authority signed by an authorizing official confirming the need to travel armed and detailing your travel itinerary. Armed officers must complete the TSA training program called Law Enforcement Officers Flying Armed unless otherwise authorized by TSA. The aircraft operator will verify this during check-in and notify the pilot in command and other appropriate crew members of your location aboard the aircraft. There are strict rules regarding alcohol consumption for armed officers. No aircraft operator may serve any alcoholic beverage to an armed law enforcement officer while aboard the aircraft. Armed officers cannot consume any alcoholic beverage while on the aircraft and cannot board an aircraft armed if they've consumed alcohol within the previous 8 hours. Regarding weapon placement, if you're not in uniform, your weapon must be concealed and out of view at all times, either on your person or within immediate reach. If you're in uniform, the weapon must be on your person. Under no circumstances may you place a weapon in an overhead storage bin. And that's everything you need to know about flying with firearms on American Airlines. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.